I'm Greg Chick with DIYPlumbingAdvice.com. Today I'm going to review PlumBest Spray Weld. This is a spray-on PVC solvent cement, as opposed to a can. Like a can with a lid and you pull it off and it goes dry after a month or a week or something. This is unique because this can is over 6 years old. And while the instructions say it has a 2-year shelf life, this is 3 times that, and it's been intermittently used in those 6-7 years, and it's worked every time. It'll do a couple hundred small joints. Now this is good because when you need it, you'll have it. Now it's also a combination of primer and solvent, so you just need one can. That has its applications, and this is definitely a winner, especially when it works and the cans are all dried up. Canned PVC solvent cement is fine, but as a homeowner, if you don't use it a lot, it has a chance to dry out and do this. That's unacceptable, and that's very frustrating. So let's do a joint. It's a little difficult to use until you get the hang of it, but let's see how I do. I'm wearing gloves because this stuff can be a little unruly. That's fine. And then, now keep in mind this nozzle here is over 6 years old. I've got that. Quarter turn. Now I don't even need to wipe this off. This is pretty good. So that is how you do a spray weld PVC joint. So here's the tough part. In real life in a trench, you're lucky to have 2 inches of clearance around this. So let's see what this can will do. Now we do the socket. And we join. We're going to pull this out of here so we can see how well we did. Not bad. Quarter turn twist. Wipe off the excess. So in summary, there's a few issues. In close proximity spraying, it could be a problem. I needed at least 2 inches. There could be some overspray. You might want to be careful. Would I use it? Yes. But on high pressure jobs, I might stick with my 2-part system with the primer and the solvent. But as a homeowner, it's a no-brainer. The cans, they knock over and spill. The spray can does not. The cans dry out. This one's lasted over 6 years. So in summary, I give PlumBest Spray Weld a 5-star rating. Can you do it? Yes, you can. And I can help. Thanks for watching. For more information, DIYPlumbingAdvice.com. I forgot what it was called. Oh, we didn't do that with anything in the background, did we?